I think this is a very good timing because it's raining hard. And let's see if this Holy Land Lark M2S is working right. Right now, it's really noisy outside. And we are actually testing the noise cancellation feature of this mic. And we'll see if this is good enough and if it is something that will really cancel the noise or at least trim down. Right now, the noise cancellation is turned off and you may probably hearing a lot of noise outside because it's raining. Right now, I'm going to turn on again the noise cancellation feature of this mic, and I would like you to hear and compare the quality of the sound. Okay, noise cancellation again is turned on, and as you can see, there's a great degree of trimming down the noise outside. It's mainly getting my voice. Now let us try the distance. Right now I'm 1 meter away from the phone or from the camera. Let's try now if I'm about 8 meters away. Okay. Okay. Currently I'm about 8 meters away from the camera, and as you can see, the sound that you are hearing is still very clear. This is a very good mic for tutorial videos, and yeah, I think I'm going to enjoy using this mic. So there you have it. I hope it will give you a good choice in getting a good mic. And this Holyland Lark M2S is really good. So this is nice, a very nice version of a mic, and I think it's gonna be very useful for my blogging or for my tutorials. So watch out for my next video, and by that time I'm already using this mic.